Welcome to the Enlit studio. I'm joined today by Vincenzo Gargiulo from Bludigit, Italgas's digital arm. Welcome, Vincenzo.
Thank you.
I'd like to start with if you could explain what the digitalization of gas means as a new term.
Yeah, that's a very good question. So we kicked off in 2017 our digital transformation journey, and we started to digitalizing the assets, the processes, and widely speaking, the whole organization in terms of way of working. So it's been a very deep change to all of us and to the way we run our business and our operations. In essence, what we want to achieve is to create the foundation for the future gas network today. And this means leverage the best technologies and change the way we work to create a smart, flexible, and digitally enabled gas network to start managing new gases, renewable gases like hydrogen and biomethane. And just to give you some numbers, we are investing quite a lot in digitally transform the way we operate. Out of the 8.6 billions of euros that we have in our strategic plan in terms of overall investments down to 2028, 1.5 billion will be fully dedicated to digitalization. So for us, it's really a key element to our strategy. So that's what digitalization means to us.
And what then are some of the innovations you're working on?
Yeah, so particularly to drive in the best possible way the digital transformation, we decided to create a digital factory. So the digital factory is really the engine of the digital transformation at Italgas, and it's the way we are accelerating the creation of value. And that's where we combine the best technologies available in the world to create business innovations to win all the challenges that we have in our business, in our industry. To give you concrete examples, we are leveraging a lot IoT, big data, analytics, and artificial intelligence to transform the way we work, the way we operate, especially when it comes to the gas network management and to the gas network itself. We built the new integrated supervision center where we collect all the IoT data from the field, and we are able, through artificial intelligence, to proactively understand where to go and what to do without waiting for alarms to tell us that something happened, so we can predict. Another good example, all the efforts we made on smart metering. Now, basically all our meters are smart, and we built algorithms and artificial intelligence to predict their failures. Try to imagine the impact on the operations, on the effectiveness and efficiency. And last, one of our latest creatures of Digital Factory is DANA, that stands for Digital Advanced Network Automation. Basically, is our own cloud-native, innovative control and command system for the gas network of the future that we are building today. And again, we are relying on the same exponential technologies to win our challenges in our business. And that's the way we are effectively leveraging the technologies that are available to create sustainable business innovation.
So can you dive a bit more into how this will drive Italgas's strategic agenda and potentially those of other utilities?
Sure. So if we look to our strategy, for sure, innovation and business digital transformation go hands in hand. And this is also one of the ways with which we want to achieve all the challenging targets that we put also from an ESG and sustainability point of view. We are fully aligned to the commitments of COP27 and REPowerEU and of all the other international programs and activities that we want to sustain and also lead somehow. And digital transformation so far gave us basically two kinds of big benefits. On one end, increased operational efficiency, so lowering down the costs. Try to imagine that so far we have been capable to reach -5% consistently year on year, and this is due to the digital transformation of the way we operate. But in doing so, we also cut CO2 emissions, because the more we digitalized, the less paper we have on the ground, the less kilometers we do with our fleet, because then we can predict events and then we can go straight when it's necessary to go. plus, we started also to remotize and virtualize as much as possible the things that before we did only, on the field and physically, in the physical world. But on the other hand, we are also putting in place the best technologies available in the world, like the Picardo technology, to minimize as much as possible fugitive emissions of our network. And at the moment, we are almost to zero. And that's our target. So this is another concrete example of how, if you do properly a digital transformation with sustainability also as one of the objectives to reach, you can do both. You can be more efficient and effective, so operational excellence is on one side, but also sustainability and ESG on the other end. So that's why it's so strategic and so relevant to the whole group.
Right. Okay. Well, thank you very much for your insights,
Thanks.
Vincenzo.
Thanks.
For more insights on the industry, be sure to tune into our channels, enlit.world.